Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a twist out tutorial. Twist outs are one of my signature styles, so I thought I'd do a tutorial for you guys to see exactly what I do to get the perfect twist out in terms of definition and volume. So let's get into this video. So I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, and my hair is still a bit wet, but I have my spray bottle here to keep adding water as I go. So first I'm just going to section my hair into 4 parts. Okay, so this part here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section it again because it's too big for me to work with. So I'm going to section my hair again. I'm going to work with this small section at the back. So first, I don't want to get wet, so I'm going to put a towel around me. Then I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray water on my hair. And my hair is already detangled, but I'm just going to brush it a bit, comb it a bit with my white tooth comb. So for my twist, what I'm going to use is this Cream of Nature Argan Buttermilk Leave-In Hair Milk. So I'm just going to take a little bit. So now I'm just going to take little pieces, little sections and start twisting them. Then I'll clip this part away and start twisting. And what you want to do is that you want to make sure that both strands of your twist are very similar in size. So one shouldn't be like bigger than the other, they should be around the same size. When you get to the end here, you don't have to like twist it to the ends, just twirl it around your finger like this. Feel free to add product to the ends before you twirl it. So that's one twist done. Whew. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm done twisting my hair. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm going to oil my scalp, and I'm going to use this Reviving Hair Oil from Buttercup Naturals. Okay, so now I'm just going to wait for my hair to dry, and I'll be back when it's completely dry to unravel the twist. You have to wait until it's completely dry, or else it's going to be a frizzy mess. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. My hair is completely dry now. So I'm just going to take down my twist, and I banded them a little bit just for some extra length. I had to use a dryer to make the drying process faster because I was too tired to wait around for it to dry on its own. So I'm just going to take them down, and I'll show you guys how I do that. The twists are very elongated. I really like that. I could go out like this. As if I don't already go out like this. Anyways, so I'm going to start the takedown now. And to take it down, I'm just going to start from the back. And I'm going to use the same oil I used before. This one. And I'm just going to rub a little bit in my hand. To reduce frizz, actually I should put that all over my hair first. Okay, so to unravel the twist, I'm just going to go counterclockwise the way that I twisted them to begin with. I'm going to go like this just to loosen it a bit, and then I'm just going to pull it apart like that. Okay, super easy. And look at the definition. Yeah, I'm just going to take the rest of them apart like that. Is my hair still wet? Oh, it is. So this is what happens when you don't let it dry properly. It's pulling apart like very easily, and it's going to get frizzy very easily too. Try that. So I'm going to take down the twist completely. Ignore these ones at the back. I'm going to take down the twist completely, and then I'm going to dry it completely with a blow dryer. This is why I wish I had a hooded dryer right now. But okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I think I have all the twists taken out, so I'm just going to go dry my hair, and then I'll be back to separate and fluff my hair. Okay, so I'm back, and my hair is actually dry this time, thank God. And while I was blow drying it, I kind of subconsciously was stretching it a bit, so it's a bit elongated now. I think I like it like this. So right now I'm just going to separate my hair and fluff. And I also laid my edges down before. Yeah, not like perfectly, but just a little bit. Okay, so to separate it, I'm just going to pick a curl like this, and then I'm just going to, well, it's already naturally separating, so I'm just going to find where it naturally separates and pull it apart. Find where it naturally separates and pull it apart. As much as you want, to be honest. It depends on how big and fluffy you want your hair to be. I'm not really looking for that much volume right now, but we'll see how it goes. So you find where it naturally separates and pull it apart. I'm just going to do that to the rest of my hair. Okay, so I'm done separating, and you can already see how much of a difference it's made. This side is a lot fuller than this side, so I'm just going to do the same thing to this side and we'll go from there. Okay, so my hair is separated, but now I need to shape it. So I'm going to pick my hair now, and to pick it I'm going to use a pick, also known as a pick comb. I have this other one, but the thing about like the one with the metal poles is that they give you like a more precise picking, so you won't get as much frizz with these. But I'm trying to make my hair like a lot bigger, so I'm going to use this one because it's going to give me more frizz at the roots. So I'm going to use this. And to pick my hair, I'm just going to start from the roots and push upwards. So what do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. Let me show you guys the back. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up, remember to comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to also turn on the notification bell when you subscribe so you get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.